I don't know about you, but I think this has been a pretty cool conference. I need to heat it up just a little bit. I love this joke. It's the official Erick Olson flaming wallet. Yeah, these things are fun at church. What you do is you wait for them to bring around the offering, and then you do this. Ah! I have not given in weeks. Now, I see some of you are looking at me like, Erick, why do you need a wallet that sets on fire? Duh, because it's a wallet that sets on fire. If you do this for your friends, you will be the bomb. Do not do it at the gas station. You will be the bomb. That's just a fun thing, but let's skip this little joke and let's teach you guys some fun bar bets. The first thing I'm gonna do is teach you how to drink out of a champagne bottle without removing the label or the cork. A completely sealed bottle. It is possible to drink out of this bottle without removing the label or the cork. I'm gonna give you guys a second to let you try to think about that. How would you drink out of this bottle without removing the label or the cork? So that's what you're gonna propose to your friends, that you can do this. They're gonna be like, there's no way you can do it. Oh yeah, I can do it. Here's what you're gonna do. You're gonna take the bottle and turn it upside down because all these bottles are recessed in the bottom. Then you're gonna take whatever you're drinking at the time. In this case, mine would be water. You pour it in the bottle, and now I just drank out of the bottle without removing the label or the cork. A fun bar bet that I hope you guys enjoy. Bar bet number 2. You're gonna challenge somebody that you can lift this bottle using only a straw. You're not gonna add anything else to it, and you can't wrap the straw around the neck of the bottle. It is possible to lift this bottle up using only a straw. Can you figure out how to do it? Let me show you. It's very simple. All you're gonna do is put a little bend in the straw. Drop it in, and it'll catch right at the neck. And now you've lifted up an empty beer bottle using only a straw. I hope you have a good time with that simple little bar bet. Bar bet number 3. In this little bar bet, all you need is a die, a few pennies, and a little glass. What you're gonna do is you're gonna bet somebody that they can roll the die several times, and whenever they want to, they stop. Then you're gonna have them add the top number and the bottom number of the die together. Whatever it equals, let's just say it equals 12. Then you guarantee this will be half as much change, so there'll be 6 cents in here. If they roll an 8, you guarantee there'll be 4 cents in here. Now, if I'm wrong, I'm willing to buy you a drink. But if I'm right in my prediction, then you have to buy me a drink. So they're gonna roll the die to prove it's a real die. Once they stop, you're gonna add the top number. In this case, it's a 1, and the bottom number is a 6. So that equals 7. And half of 7 is, 3.5. It looks like somebody's gonna get a drink tonight, and that somebody is gonna be me, because inside this glass, I have 1, 2, 3.5 cents. Now, to perform this, all you need is a normal die and 3 pennies and a half a penny. So what you want to do is you want to put on some goggles and be safe when you cut a penny in half. So you'll have 3.5 pennies inside a glass and put the half behind the pennies. How the number works is, guess what? On every die, when you roll it, the top number and the bottom number will always equal 7. So in this case, look at, there's a 5 and a 2, a 3 and a 4, a 6 and a 1. So no matter what they roll, the top number and the bottom number will always equal 7. And half of 7 is 3.5. You dump this out, and you just won the bet with 1, 2, 3.5 cents, and it also gets a really good laugh at the table. Not only do I perform bar bets, but I'm a bit of a pool hustler. Now, I don't have a pool table here in the studio, but I'm gonna bring one up on the screen virtually. What I'd like you to do is hold up one finger and point to any pool ball of your choice and keep your finger on it. Perfect. Now find the nearest 8 ball and point to it. Keep your finger on it. Next, search for the nearest green 6 ball. Make sure it's the closest one and point to that. And finally, look for the nearest yellow ball and keep your finger on it. This won't hurt a bit.